Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the command line builder function in the publishing module. Now this module is available for enterprise services clients and also as an optional add-on module. So if you're not sure if you have access to it or not, click on the file menu. If you see publish workbook, then you do have it. If you don't and you'd like to give it a go, contact us at support and we'll give you more details. Now, the command line builder. So command lines are instructions that can be used by Windows to run certain tasks automatically. And when combined with the task scheduler in Windows, you can set it up to run scans and print reports automatically at a set time every day. So it can be a bit fiddly to build the command lines because there's so many options available. So that's why we have the builder facility. So to start building your command line, we're going to click the plus there on the toolbar and then select print command from the list, and from the window that opens the three little dots to open up the line builder window. So this is where we can select what we want to do automatically. So let's start on the left hand side there. So output formats, we can choose any of those. You'll notice email is there, but that will only work with Microsoft Outlook. So if your email system's combined or connected to that, then that should work. But I'm just going to spit out PDFs, and the source, it can be a workbook, it can be a symbol list, but I'm going to run a scan. Now obviously you have to have pre-built the scan in the scanning manager for this to work. So I built one called 66-day RIC high. So this is a relative strength, highest high over the last 66 days or quarter, 3 months. So that's the scan I want to run. I want to put the PDF output on my desktop, and I want to give it a name, 66 RIC high. And you'll notice that as I type or select some of these options, this bar down here, the text is getting added. This is the command line. So previously you had to type all these options in, but now it automatically does it when we select these options. So you can see it's PDF scan, scan name, landscape, there's the output. So you don't have to know how to type or know all the commands. By selecting these options, it automatically does it for you. So let's continue building. I want to add an index page. So the first page shows me all the stocks that have passed the scan. I can change the font size, columns, things like that, sort order, so on and so forth. And I also want to print the charts using a page layout that I've already created and saved. So, and the page layout I want to use, I can select from the drop down, is called publish layout. And finally down the bottom you'll see there's a couple of other options. Run in background instance of Optima. So that means with 64-bit programs you can have the program open twice essentially, and it's doing you're working on your screen and then it's opening up another instance of Optima in the background. So I'm going to select that. You can choose all these other options as well, and then I'm going to click save. So this button up here now, as I mouse over, that is the print command, or most of it. It's too long to fit in the pop-up there, but I can right click on that and change the label to something more descriptive. So 66 RIC high. Now if I want to run that, all I have to do is just click the button, and now that's going to run that scan and print out the results onto my desktop in a PDF. So we'll just wait a few seconds for that scan to run and I'll show you the output. Okay, so here's the results of the scan on my desktop. There's the PDF. So if I double click, it'll open it up. There's the index page with the list of results, and as I scroll down, that's the page layout that I created with the chart header, couple of statistics in there, and also the RIC tool showing the 66 day high. Now that we have the command line built, we can use it in the Windows Task Scheduler. So let's go back to Optima here. If we right click on the button, go to the three dots again, so we can copy this command line to clipboard, so we don't have to obviously type all that out again. So I'll just drag the task scheduler from the other window. So to open this, just go to the Windows menu, type task scheduler, and then this will pop up. I've added a Optima folder there because I've got another one that I run every day. But all we need to do is hit create basic task in the actions, give it a name. So 66 Rick High. Next, we want to run it daily. Choose when you want to run it. So I'm going to do 8:30 a.m. Every day, recurring every day. Click next. We want to start a program. So go to the browse and you want to navigate to the C drive, program files, Optima, and then optima.exe and click open. Now the arguments, this is the command line that we just copied from the software. So it's in the clipboard, just Control V to paste, and you'll see this is the entire thing that that was built as we went through the process. Click next, and that's it. Finish. It gets added to the scheduler. So 8:30 every day, it will run that scan and print out those reports. Here's one more example I'd like to show you. So this is a workbook that I've saved, and this watch list, it is linked to a scan. So you'll see there in the top left corner, 52-week closing high lows. So every time I open this workbook, it runs that scan, populates this watch list. So I've added a couple of columns and also grouped by the change percent into positive negative, so we get the highs and the lows. So with the command line builder, that's this button I've got up here, all I have to do is open the workbook. So I want to spit out an image, PNG, the source is the workbook, it's called high-low, and when that workbook gets opened, it automatically runs the scan. And then it's going to put out the or print this watch list on my desktop. I've got this set up as, and you'll see down the bottom I've got single watch list clicked or selected. So what that means is if it goes more than one page, it will print everything as a single watch list. So now when I run that or put that in the task scheduler, it prints out this PDF every day that appears on my desktop, so I can instantly see the new highs and lows for the previous day. Hope that's been useful. As always, if you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks very much.